Page 133, Waltz. 3/4 time, obviously it's a waltz. In the key of B major again. This time, the melody is the dotted half notes, and it goes all over the place. Like at the beginning, it's in the left hand here. And then the next two measures, it's up here. And then back down here. And this is just fun. And the third line again, you're going to cross up. And back down here. Oh, isn't this nice? And then at the end, the left hand plays that last note. So the left hand's kind of going nuts. The right hand's just anchored in this spot. Here. Here pretty much. Second line, you're here. That's what the chord is. It's a G sharp, an A sharp, and a B, and an E, excuse me. And then here, that's it. Pedal wise, they want it pedaled. It looks like they're pedaling each line. You push it down at the beginning of the line, you lift it up with the hands at the end of the line. So you have a little solace between the lines. Otherwise, you're pedaling the whole line until you get down to the end. And then it's not legato pedal, is what I'm saying, is you have a break in the sound between. That's what this kind of pedal marking means. And that's what we're going to do. Now that's really about all I have to say. You just have to watch out, because when you're crossing over, the hands can get in each other's way, because at the beginning your left hand and right hand are here, and that wrist staccato on this. So you keep the left hand down and come up here. Use whatever finger's handy on this. They're saying second, or I do third, maybe third and fourth. It's not important. What is important is you'll be able to do it without the hands getting in each other's way. And then you're back down here, etc. Then at the end, the last two measures, it's here, there, and that's it. And then at the end of the three counts, the pedal and the hands all come up together. Let's try this out slowly. You go ahead and learn it first, and then we'll play it slowly together. 3 counts, here we go. Left hand, right hand, foot. 1, ready, go.